Hey, Helen, Brahms here coming to you live. Claremont. I've had a super fantastic sparkling day. It has been the sparkles falling from the heavens. In other words, rain. We've had a fantastic day today. Got off to a good start. How were your challenges for today? What were our challenges for today? Oh, organization. That's right. Our challenges today were about organization. On our mindset, we organized our thoughts. Did you get any writing done? Any mind mapping done? Any lists made about thoughts, ideas? Organize those. On the business side, we're organizing office and files. Looking at my table/desk, I didn't get a lot of that done today. But how did you do? And on the fun, organizing a room, be it a dresser, a closet, part of a room. How did that go today for you? I was planning on doing some of that, but it didn't work out. We did have rain this morning, and Zephy does not like walking in the rain. No. She goes like about every 10 to 20 feet. She stops, shakes it all off, and then carries on again. So she had a lot of that going on today. Had a great training call this morning. Really, really good training. So was very blessed to be on that. We had a day, what else did we do today? Got some plans made, got some more work done, got some research done, so that was good. Got a blog written, so if you haven't seen the blog, it's called A Time to Pause, and I posted it on my Facebook page, so please go check that out. It's kind of proud of this one, but it's based on the Facebook Live I did on Monday morning, talking about how blessed we are to be in this time, at this point in time in our lives, how blessed we are to be in the situation that we're in. Some people won't agree with that, and that's okay. That's their opinion. But for me, I feel it's a very blessed time for us to be in. We're actually on a pause. So if you think about it, how many times do you want to go, stop? Just stop. Just let the world stop. Let time stop so you can catch up. And that's what we call the pause. And right now we're on a global pause. Everybody's in stay in place right now. A lot of countries are in stay in place. Some are statewide, some are countrywide. Stay in place. So basically it's a pause because a lot of people can't go to work. They're having to work from home, or they don't have a job to go to right now. But it's now that time where we can get in there and we basically have a pause. So, all those times that you turn around and said, stop, I just want the world to stop. I just want to hit pause so I can catch up. I can breathe. I can through this stuff and then carry on. Now's the time to do it. It is abundant with opportunities. There are so many opportunities out there right now that if you're not taking advantage of the opportunities that are out there, you need to open your eyes and be receptive to them. And as said to me the other day, said, thank you. Hang on, I wrote it up here. I am receiving. I love that one. I have to have it on my, where am I? I have to have it up here so I remember what it is and I can look at it each day and remind myself to say thank you, I am receiving. But we also got some done with Zephy today, which was awesome. She did so well. She sees me pull out the container with the treats in, and she's all of a sudden she's well behaved. I tell her to sit, she sits. I tell her to come, she comes. I tell her to come front, she comes. She comes to the side. She's getting better at coming and sitting at my side. I get her to come safe, which is to sit between my legs. If I'm standing, I'll stand there with my legs apart so she can come and sit between my legs, so that she's sitting for where she's sitting and things. It's just a safe place for her to sit, and so she'll actually come and do that. We didn't do any weaving between the legs today. We did that the other day, like walking and having her weave backwards and forwards through the legs as I was walking. But we had a lot of fun training, and then we ended our training session with a big play session, lots of loves, lots of cuddles, lots of scratches, and then we went for a big walk afterwards. Went for a walk this evening, and then she decided she was going to go a little nuts, so I just stood there while she basically ran circles around me for a couple of. She only did like about 3 or 4. Done more in the past, but we just had a great day. Got a lot of stuff done as far as research goes, work stuff goes. Getting the blog posted was one of my goals for today. I was glad I got that up and running, so please go to check down below my Facebook page, and you'll see it posted there, and go check that out, see what you think. Let me know your thoughts on the blog. Would love to hear what you think about it, whether you agree with it or not. It doesn't matter. I'm just wanting to hear feedback from it, see what people think about it. And that's basically it from us for today. Tomorrow is meant to be, because we basically stayed inside today, the AC units did not come on at all. It was only down in the day, which was nice. Yes. Tomorrow we're meant to be in the 80s, and I'm like, what? But it rained today. It was beautiful. Loved it. Got to get outside and dance. Come here, sweetie. Come on, up you come. Good girl. You want to say hello? You're my little girl. You want to say hello? Put your head up. Nope. Don't want to put. You don't want to put your head up and say, hey, people want to say hi. No, she just wants to snuggle. She's been doing this a lot today, just suddenly and jumping up next to me and just sitting there wanting scratches and loving. I think you hear the baby next door crying her a little bit. Hey, Zeph. Oi. Do you want to say hi? Hey. Turn around. Turn your head. Nope. We're like, no, you've got the camera on. I know you have. Not going to look at it. And now we're completely down on the table. Yep, we're not even going to acknowledge that you have the phone in your hand or that you're talking to me. But we've had a lot of time to play today, so it's been awesome. And we're currently in the process of watching. What are we watching, Zeph? Oh, that's right, Baby Driver. It's a very interesting movie. It's one that I saw when it first, before it came out or when it came out. They had they played like the 5-minute intro to the movie. Which the opening scene of the movie they played, it goes for like about 5 to 6 minutes or something, of this amazing car chase. And it's basically about this guy, his name's Baby, and he's a young guy who drives the getaway car. And he always has music playing, so he has his soundtracks for different jobs, and he has a series of iPods that have different tracks and stuff on based on whatever job he's doing. So it's a movie I've always wanted to see, never been able to find it to be able to see it. And I was in Walmart the other day and they had it for $5, and I figured I'm getting it. But I'm absolutely loving this movie right now. It's somewhere towards the end, and we might have time for another one afterwards. I don't know, but I don't know what we'll watch next. But so we've been watching Baby Driver. Good movie, not a bad movie. And so that's it from us for today. It's been an awesome day. Lots done, which is good. Stuff off my checklist. I actually removed some stickers off my board, put some new ones back up. Always changing it. Oh, hello. Zeph. Look at her. It's as closest to looking at the camera as she will get. She just does not want to say hello. Oh, everybody wants to say hello to you, sweetie girl. Nope, that's it. That's all you're getting out of her for today. She's just been very clingy today, which is fine, you know. So we'll see how it goes. And the kids next door are finally out because it stopped raining, so they've been allowed out. Can you imagine 8 people inside a 31-foot Class C RV for a day while it's raining? And their kids age and range from 1 through to 10 or 12, I think, is the oldest one. Yeah, it's been, you know, that's what they choose to do. They make it work, which is awesome. I can't imagine it, but they obviously live it that way. I like my space in my 2 feet, and I'm just trying to imagine 8 people in my 32-foot RV, which is actually bigger than theirs by a foot. Plus, I also have more space with the driver's area and stuff with how it's configured. But I can't have people in here, so, you know, more power to them for being able to do that. And then I've got friends who have got 9 or 10 people in their RV, but they've got another 4 feet on me as well. But at least they have bunk beds in that one, so that's a good thing. They've got bunk beds. But anyway, that's it from me. I am out of here. Go check out the blog, A Time to Pause. It's in my Facebook feed. It got posted today, so please go check that out. It is, I'm kind of proud of this one, but I would love to hear your thoughts on that blog, what you think of it, whether you agree with it or not. I don't care. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. This is just my thoughts on this time right now, that we are in a global pause, and it gives us time to reevaluate things that we're doing in our lives. Are we doing what we want to do? Are there changes we can make so we can do what we want to do? Are our goals and our dreams still valid? Do we need to tweak them to get them fired up again? So would love to hear your thoughts on the blog today, and if you think that we are in pause as well, and maybe even some of the things about what you're doing during this pause time. So that's it from me for this evening. Have a super fantastic sparkling day, and we will catch you guys tomorrow morning with your challenges for the day. And that's it. Hei konera.